Welcome to my channel. Moxee Hotspot Login. 1. Power on the Moxee Hotspot. Press and hold the power button until the device powers on, and wait for it to initialize. 2. Connect your device to the hotspot. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, search for available Wi-Fi networks and select the Moxee network name, SSID. 3. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Use the default password printed on the back of the Moxee device or inside its battery compartment. 4. Open a web browser. Launch a browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari, or Edge, on the connected device. 5. Enter the login URL. Type http://192.168.1.1 into the browser's address bar and press enter to access the Moxee login page. 6. Log in with default credentials. Enter the default username, admin, and password, which are typically printed on the device label. 7. Customize your network settings. You can change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password in the settings menu if desired. 8. Save changes and reboot. Click Save after making changes, and restart the hotspot to apply the new settings. 9. Reconnect devices. If you changed the network name or password, reconnect your devices using the updated details. Thank you for watching.